Good morning, everyone, from day 2 here on the Disney Wish.
Yes, today is a Nassau day. We don't have any plans to get off the ship, so basically it's going to be a day at sea. We're going to go get some breakfast at Marceline Market, and we bought some Rainforest passes just for the day because the Rainforest, you'll see it, it's much different than the other ships, and because of that it's extremely expensive for our budget anyway. So we only could do a day pass rather than a full trip pass, but it's amazing. We're so excited to check it out and bring you along, and we'll see what other trouble we could get into.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun day. We're looking forward to it. Come along.
Alright, here's my spread this morning. I got some eggs, some hash browns, some egg fried rice, chocolate chip pancakes, and a bagel that I'm gonna make into peanut butter and jelly. And then I got water, and this is called Orchard's Best on the cruise line, but this is Pog juice, so passion orange guava. And then I'll have Brandon show you his spread as well.
Alright, so we got eggs benedict, corned beef hash, we got some turkey bacon, hash browns, and some sausage. With orange juice and orange juice. Or coffee and orange juice, not orange juice and orange juice.
Breakfast was good, I thought. Did you like yours?
I liked it. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I thought it was even better than lunch. And we just went to guest services to see if we could switch a reservation, but we weren't able to do it, but they did their best. And we were able to catch the Princess Gathering from above, so that was good.
2 for 1.
Yes, and now we're gonna head to the spa.
Yeah.
Woo. Going into the Rainforest Room, there's beautiful, foliage on the walls. They also gave us slippers and robes, and there's scrubs, but it does have an upcharge. I thought that it was included in the one that I purchased, but they said no, so that's fine. And then here is the rainforest. Here we are. Water. Chairs, showers. This is an ice cold room. Steam rooms, another shower. I don't want to show too much because people are over. But then the best part is outside. And you don't really have to be quiet out here. There's all of these lounge chairs in the shade. And 3 hot tubs. It's super nice out here. Again, I don't want to film too much inside because it's super occupied, but out here is a bit of a different story. We're on one of these swinging loungers right now.
I thought you were taking a picture.
It's really sunny. There's ones in the shade and ones in the sun. We have one in the shade over there. It's just, oh, so nice. Do you like it?
Oh, I love it.
He never saw it. I had to come while he was waiting in line for guest services the other day, and I had to make the decision for both of us, but it's just so lovely. I realized I said there were 3 hot tubs. I meant 2. There are 2 hot tubs, but I feel like what this is like a day pass into the concierge lounge. It's not the concierge lounge, but it's similar in that it's limited in number. There's not a lot of people, but there's plenty of space. And then there's also like the thermal suite inside. So I feel like it's a really cool service. And it was $79 for the day pass plus 18% gratuity. We're starting in the ice box. This is so cool. This is new to us anyway. They've never had this on the other ships. So we're in the steam room. Obviously it's really steamy, but I was told this is on a timer. And the timer is like it will shower or something like that every 5 or so minutes. So that's interesting. Also, if you're worried about us talking, don't be. We're only talking if we're by ourselves. Nobody can hear us. There's no one else in here. Are you enjoying yourself? Good. We're going in the last warm room now. No one is in here. This one's my favorite. This one's the one that's just like dry heat. I love it. They really are outdoing themselves with this Rainforest Room. We've just done the thermal suite part so far, but it is so amazing. Truly their best one yet by a landslide. What do you think?
We're talking about Census Spa?
Yeah, the Rainforest Room.
Oh, yeah. I think this is the best one. The dream was amazing. The magic was a little disappointing, but this one blows my mind.
It's amazing. And the cold room?
Yeah,
like,
that was really unique.
I love it. This is amazing. They even have little sand timers in here, so you can set the time that you're in here. It's pretty cool. They have cold towels. So nice. After being in the hot saunas and steam rooms, we're back in the Frigidaire cold room. This is such a good addition.
Yeah, I'm very impressed. So I definitely do see the price hike.
Yeah.
In the beginning, I was like, why is it so expensive? I definitely do see the price hike and the purpose behind it. I wish it was a little bit cheaper, but I mean, there's so much to do and it's beautiful.
For the full 3 days, it was $255 plus 18% gratuity per person. But honestly, it might be worth it. We walked outside to an empty hot tub, so you know we're getting in. We're never gonna get on a hot tub any other time, so it's amazing to have this opportunity. And there's a fan right above us, so it makes the heat more bearable because it's August, so it's really, really nice. Want to show everybody what you're doing before? So you butt out your legs, you like can't function. I was like, just put your feet down. I was originally concerned when they said they were putting part of the rainforest outside, because I was like, I don't want people looking in on us. But up here, I don't even know if people can get over here, and if they can, there's no one up here. While we're out here just chilling on the day beds, I thought I would also mention that the Rainforest Room is open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at night, and you're able to come and go all day as you please, as long as you have the pass, and you just give them your key to the world card, and they keep it while you're in here, and then they'll give it back when you leave, and you just give it to them each time. So it's nice and easy of a process. They'll give you a robe, and then that's pretty much it. That's the whole process. We haven't even shown the Bahamas yet, but here it is. It looks beautiful. I got this bowl, this veggie bowl, burrito bowl, and Brandon got his meats like he showed, and also he got a burrito. Yay! Look what I got. They're both for me.
All right, we are back in the room. Census Spa, Rainforest Room, major hit, major.
It was a dream. We spent literally the entire day there when we weren't eating. It was definitely well worth the money. Absolutely loved it. We're sad that we only are able to do it today. There's really no other time to do it, but so glad we got to do it. Definitely check it out if you're coming on the Wish. It was spectacular.
Yes, Disney outdid themselves on this ship, so definitely looking forward to like the new ships in the future to see what else they can do and improve on.
Yeah.
So it is Pirate Night.
Arr.
So we are going to be engaging in those festivities.
Yes. And we also have our Frozen dinner. So excited to see the show.
Yeah, Pirate Chip and Dale are out for Pirate Night in their amazing outfits. Love that.
We're getting ready for the Pirates show. We're so excited.
Oh, it feels mighty good to once again be unfurled and flying high over pirate waters. Let's all welcome Captains Minnie and Mickey.
Wow.
It's a pirate's life for me.
Ahoy, mateys! Are you ready for pirates? adventure?
Away, away, away we go! Away, 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 away we go! Away, 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 adventures wait for you! Lesson number 1! If ever a captain gives you an order
Or asks you a question, loud and proud, say, aye, aye, Captain! Aye, aye, Captain!
Lesson number 2!
We pirates be known as a Rainforest lot.
All true pirates need to know how to dance a pirate jig. Do exactly as we do. Here we go! Lesson number 3. Though we pirates do a lot of celebrating, we be needing to appear fierce. Let's show 'em.
It sounds like you want more.
So, if asked, what does a pirate love the most, you all say treasure!
Treasure!
Now shake your booty from coast to coast.
Great job.
Mr. Smee!
My interruption of your festivities, but you'll be needing to make way immediately, or sooner.
Oh, no, he's right. Is that who I think it is?
Hook is a codfish, a codfish.
Is it when a captain gives you an order, or asks you a question, what do you say?
Aye, aye, Captain! Aye, aye, Captain!
Impossible! Lucky guess! Tell me, what do true pirates love the most?
Now shake your crew from coast to coast.
Again! Out of here!
Bye!
Captain, back to Neverland.
I'd say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew!
Here we go, walking into Arendelle. Already see a lot of theming. Love it. Love it. Reminds me of the Frozen ride in Epcot. Over here we got Anna and Elsa. Nice portraits of them.
I like that the windows are like frozen.
Oh, very nice. It's the small details that matter.
Yeah, and like when different windows have different snowflakes.
Beautiful in here. Julia pointed out that the back of the chairs have the different seasons. There we are, table 607, baby. Here's the setup. Very beautiful. You get a blue cup, I get a white cup. Let's switch.
No!
Okay, fine.
We can switch if you want.
Stage looks like it's literally right there, so we should have a good view of the
Make up
stage.
for the Tangled show when we had the worst view
Seats, yeah.
in the house.
Yeah, should be right there, which is amazing.
We just got our menus. They're beautiful. Wow. I'm so excited. Alright, here's a look. Smorgasbord.
The royal family hereby welcomes you to an enchanted evening.
Wow. I'm ready for an enchanted evening. Wow. I'm so excited I could cry. And I don't even really like Frozen. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but I'm still excited.
Did you see this smorgasbord?
Our server Anxious told us that we're celebrating Anna and Kristoff's engagement. That's so exciting. Anna and Kristoff are actually one of my favorite Disney couples because Kristoff is such a lovely, supportive man. So we love Kristoff and we love them together. So that's very exciting.
But today is lucky for you. We have a wonderful group of musical people ready to be pleasing your ears in the meantime. Please be clapping for these very fine music makers, the Royal Kindred Trio!
Like the feeling we're handing
Wow, it's so great to see you all.
Congrats on your engagement. All right, here's the asparagus that I ordered. This is Brennan's seafood plate, and we think this is big scallops.
And this is the Anna's smorgasbord
Plate thing.
Yeah.
Hello. You look amazing. I love your dress.
Well, we don't have time for the whole tale, talkative snowman.
Oh, all right. Fast version.
Okay.
I can do that. Elsa froze Arendelle, then ran away. Anna followed. Some things happened. Love, thaws, come on, you all know it.
A frozen heart.
So deep. Then everything changed, even though Anna said it wouldn't. She lied. Moments of great transformations. I was gone, then I wasn't. Yada yada. The end.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay,
There are still two sisters. Their love of snowmen still infinite.
Now, say goodbye, Olaf.
Goodbye, Olaf. I'm so silly.
My troll salad came out. It looks very good. Has raspberry dressing and some brioche croutons and some nuts in it and some fruit as well.
And I rarely get salad, but it sounded good. So we got cucumbers, potatoes, and carrots.
Hang in there, Joan.
Imagine how much cooler I'll be in summer.
We all have to sing Let It Go. The amazing show's over, but it's time for dessert. Here are the options. So we got all the desserts that weren't the no sugar added or the sundae. So this one's the apple one, the apple tart. Brandon's gonna show you his, which we don't actually know what it is, but it looks cool. This is the chocolate bar. And then this is some sort of cake that looks really yummy. When you're leaving the restaurant, the knight has a sign. It's so cute, from Olaf and Sven. We're gonna check out the Inside Out Joyful Suites and see what it's like up there. I'm excited to see it. Yay! There's candy all over the floor because our friend Bing Bong tries candy. It's so cute in here. Here's Joy, so excited. And then there's my personal favorite, Sadness. We've got a bunch of memory balls. Disgust. Looking chic as ever. There's Anger over here. He's really angry about these memory balls. And Fear. Adorable. They have all kinds of ice creams over here. This is just about half of what they have. Here's some more like fancy signature flavors that they have. Wow. Yum. Here's a look at their signature sundae with 3 scoops of ice cream, 5 toppings, whipped cream and a cherry.
Here's a look at some of the toppings here.
Mickey? Yeah, Mickey sprinkles. Yeah, of course.
Featuring Julia's ice cream in the background being currently made. And here are some of the Oreo cookies that they have.
These are so cool.
Anger Sphere, Joy Sphere, Fear, and then chocolate dipped marshmallows.
These are like the little memory balls.
Yes, I like that.
And then look, they have...
Got macaroons.
And they have little cupcakes too. With the balls on them. Wow, these are so fun.
Mickey and Minnie cupcakes. Very cute.
I like this red velvet brownie.
Over here they have some additional candy to get. Some popcorn. And then we got the memory maker over here. So you turn the wheel and the ball comes down. And I guess you can get one of these and get a character.
That's so fun.
That is so cute. Oh no. Oh no.
We got stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, so a lot happened back to back, rapid fire. So we haven't been able to talk about anything. Actually, first we went to the pirate show, which was so much fun, but I think we might have talked about that. That was great. It's always great. Had a great time. Then we went to Arendelle dinner. Absolutely blown away.
Yeah, it was really cute and adorable. My favorite character was, what's his name?
Big Summer Blowout, yoo-hoo.
There you go.
That's not
That
his
guy.
name.
Yeah, he was literally spot on.
He was hilarious.
I loved him. And Olaf on a rolling cart was really cute. I saw a couple spoilers on Facebook, and from what I saw on Facebook, it didn't look that great. You know, those were all lies. Facebook is lies.
Oh my god, I was so blown away. I'm not a huge Frozen fan, generally, but I thought this was amazing. The costumes there were, oh my gosh, beautiful. Olaf on the cart was perfect because he was true to size. The singing was great. They had like a 3-person like musical band.
Oh yes, they were so good. The guy on the violin, the guy on the guitar, and the
singing woman.
The lady that was singing, she had a beautiful voice.
It was
stunning.
So it was
yeah.
so good. And the food was delicious.
The food was very good.
I loved it. My dinner was the best food I've ever had on any cruise ship anywhere. It was delicious.
My appetizers definitely were better than the main course, but I loved the main course as well.
It was so good.
So then after that, we went to see the fireworks.
Yes?
Yes.
They were so good.
Yes. I think you pointed it out, and I definitely agree that they were a bit longer
they
on
felt
this
long.
cruise. Yeah. I would say it was a good 4 or 5 minutes.
It felt like it. Loved it. So much fun. So great.
And they, before the show, they were doing a like an 80s pirate rock band concert, which was really, really fun. And I really enjoyed it. Like, you can, you know, feel the crowd, you know, getting into it. And yeah, it was great. Loved that.
Yeah. It was a really good day. We had such a good day. Oh, and then we went to get ice cream at the sweets place. It's so good. The gelato's so delicious. We also got a cupcake. I haven't tried it yet. I'm sure it's good, but the gelato, delicious.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna call it a night. We did order room service because room service last night was amazing. So we're gonna end the night with room service and watching a Disney movie on our TV. And that's it for day 2, which was our Nassau day here on the Disney Wish. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. With that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on all of our journeys.
And Disney Cruise Line videos.
And don't forget to put that bell notification on because we do have a lot more content coming.
Always, always.
And until the next video.
Bye.